Hey guys, I'm Tori and I recently purchased a condo. It is a very large open loft that used to be a warehouse, so it has, the high ceilings and the big windows. However, when I first got it, it did have a lot of cosmetic issues. In the last couple months, I've been slowly renovating the condo to make it look more modern and elegant and simple too. I'm going for kind of like a minimalist vibe. So I started off by painting the walls a light gray, and after that I painted the cabinets white, and I went ahead and painted my doors and door frames white too. And then after painting the cabinets, I added black cabinet pulls, and I really like the look of that. So I've been adding black details here and there. I'm adding a black faucet and black doorknobs on my bathrooms. So knowing that the doorknobs were coming, I thought I would have to, get new door hinges to make it match the doorknobs. So I was looking online at, dark or black door hinges, and they were pretty expensive. They weren't that expensive, but I needed 6, and a lot of them came in packs of 30 or so, and they didn't seem all that high quality. So I figured, if I'm going to try to buy new ones anyways, I might as well see if I'm able to paint my existing door hinges to kind of fit the look that I'm going for. So that's what I did, and I'm going to show you how it was. My first step was going on Google and seeing if this was recommended, and it turns out it's not. People say that it'll cause your door hinges to squeak and the paint might start chipping, but once again, the alternative was to just buy new door hinges, so I figured I'd take the risk. I also did find a couple YouTube tutorials of people who said they successfully painted their door hinges without any problems months later, so I definitely wanted to give it a try. In retrospect, I should have taken off the door hinges when I was painting the doors. I did not do this, which made the whole process a lot harder. So now my first step was to take the door hinges off of the doors that I had just hung up. So this was a little annoying to do, but I got it done anyways. Here you can see my white doors and how they look now with the white door frame, just so you get an idea of what it'll look like later with the door hinges. And like I mentioned, I did not remove the door hinges when I was painting the doors, so I did get some paint on the door hinges, which is a big no-no. You want a very smooth surface. So my next step was to go ahead and sand down the door hinges, just to get a nice smooth surface for the paint to go on smoothly. You don't want any bumps or drips on your paint. So if your door hinges are in poor condition, I would recommend you sand them down a little bit. I think I used like 120 grit sandpaper. So for the actual paint, I used black glossy rust-oleum. I've been very impressed with rust-oleum so far. I've painted a lot of things around my condo, and it just seems like such high quality paint that doesn't rub off. I just laid the hinges down flat on the canvas and I sprayed them. But later I started propping them up and painting in a 3D fashion so I wouldn't have to come back later and flip them over. I would recommend that technique if you were to try it yourself. So then I saw some people that painted their hardware too. And it made a lot of sense. I don't want my silver hardware to stick out in my black door hinge. But I didn't like that people were painting the entire hardware. They were painting the entire screws. And that seemed kind of funky to me, so I decided to drill holes into a piece of cardboard, and then so that only the heads were sticking out. So then I went over and I painted them all at once, all my screws at once, and I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I think a lot more people should try this. It was a very great way to get the job done, but also not have to paint the entire screw. And this made the final product look amazing, actually. I did not film myself installing the door hinges back up, but here you can see the final product and how it looks. It's a little rough around the door hinge, but that's because I painted it with the door hinge on. I think had I taken the door hinge off before I painted the doors, this final product would look nearly perfect. And as I mentioned, I'm ordering new doorknobs, and I was wondering if I could do this for the doorknob too. So for my utility closet, which I don't open much, I tried to paint the doorknob, and I was actually pretty impressed with how that turned out. So I might just paint all my doorknobs black so I can save some money and not have to buy new hardware. So far the doors work perfectly. I've had them for a couple weeks now, and I can open them, close them, no problem. There's no stiffness, and there's no squeaking and no chipping either. So anyways, that's how I painted my door hinges, and that's how you can do it too. Learn from my mistakes. Do it while you're painting the door. Also prop up the door hinge in kind of a 3D fashion on the canvas as you're painting, so then you can paint both sides at once. And also I love the little technique I made up for painting my screws, drilling the holes in the cardboard. I thought that was very efficient, and I would definitely recommend that if you wanted to paint your hardware for any project. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll be making a couple more videos like this as I renovate my condo, and hopefully you can learn some stuff. If you have any suggestions for me, anything you want to learn, or anything I could have done better, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.